welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another pink video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Fabiola and I love to create all kinds of pink and girly videos, fashion, decor, and hauls. If that's something you love and are into, then go ahead, click the subscribe button down below, click the bell notification so that way you're notified when a new video is uploaded, and follow me on my Instagram, FABIOLAGOFFICIAL. So as you can see from today's title, I am going to be showing you what I got at Target from the LoveShack collaboration with Girly, and I am thrilled with this collaboration because everything in this collection is gorgeous. When I saw that they were coming out with this collaboration, I immediately added it to my calendar, set reminders because I didn't want to miss out on this beautiful collection. So they did come out with the light shade of pink with the floral, and also the light baby blue, and of course I had to pick the pink one. That's why I'm wearing this dress, because I think it matches and it goes perfect with today's video. And I was able to find at least one of every product that I truly really wanted, so I'm so excited. Okay, so I am going to do a little video towards the end, just kind of zooming into each product. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. So the first thing I got that I am very excited for is the beautiful detangling hairbrush, and it's gentle on the hair and scalp, and look how beautiful. It's so soft, and it is in that perfect shade of floral pink, which we all love. If you love pink, you're gonna love this hairbrush. This is the medium size. There is a bigger brush, but I personally think it's way too big, so I didn't get that one, but I did make sure to pick up the medium size one, and it is beautiful. I also picked up the mini size, and this is absolutely adorable. I had to get this. Like, this is just a must. You can put this in your purse, in your tote bag, bring it to work, just carry it with you on the go. It's in that perfect shade of baby pink. This is so cute, and it's small. I also got some satin scrunchies. So this set comes with 3, and they're all with the same print, like the bows with the floral and the baby pink. I also got this jaw clip or hair clip, and it's wrapped with that satin, and it's so pretty, and it's very big. So this is definitely great if you want to put your entire hair up and just put it on with a clip. So it's perfect. They also have another hair clip that it's not satin, it's just plastic, and that's the one that I am missing. So hopefully, crossing my fingers, that I'm able to find it very very soon. But as of now, I did get this beautiful one, which I am so happy with. I also got this beautiful bow. This one here has to be my favorite from the collection. I don't know if the camera is picking up the color, but honestly, it's like absolutely stunning, and I can't wait to be able to try all my beautiful hair products. The next thing that I also got was this flower elastic. This comes with 1, and it's so pretty. I've never seen a hair elastic like this. So it's in shape of a flower with the petals. So soft. I did get the 2 mini clips. This one's called the small claw clips, and you get 2 in 2 different shades of pink. This one is like a soft blush pink, and then a baby pink with the floral design. I also got a pack of 5 small satin scrunchies. These are my favorite just when you want to do like half a pony, or if you want to go to the gym. They're small enough, but they're really nice because they wrap around your hair like a couple times, and they're just in that beautiful little print. those were all the amazing goodies that I was able to find from LoveShackFancy. Let me know if you loved today's video. I'm going to try to link all the products in today's video down below. I know they do have them at Target, and some of these products you can actually add to your cart and then select pick up in store, or then they can ship to you and vice versa. But if you're looking for these adorable items, definitely run to your local Target, because I'm sure they're gonna sell out pretty quick because they are limited edition and they are so pretty. I highly recommend them. I think everything that I got just made my day. I'm so obsessed with everything. I hope you all have an incredible day. I love you so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.